Hello and welcome to week 4 of the Reboot Challenge. So this week we are focused on connection. So we're focused on mindset, then we moved to movement and the body, and then we integrated that with the importance of nutrition and food. And now we're going to tie it in with connection, which is the fourth pillar of health. That is my passion. So every morning and night, by now you'll be very used to your beautiful rituals of meditating and journaling. A really great way to start and end the day because it helps you to manage your state. Most importantly, your mindset and your energy, because we're trying to elevate our state. When we are seeing things from a higher perspective, we are able to connect the dots. We have a higher understanding. We can see more reasons why everything is happening rather than merely reacting from that lower level. So it's very powerful to elevate your energy and your mindset. And remember that our energy, think of it like currency, and how we spend our energy is really important. You know, it's better spent on healing and transformation, because we spend so much time and we're so exhausted focusing on the wrong things and fears that we don't even really need to entertain at all. But we are human, and so this week, now that you've got your morning and evening rituals, over the course of the day you're going to be faced with, of course, change and challenges. Welcome to the planet Earth. This is what we're here to do. It's a classroom. We're here to learn and we're here to grow. So we're going to be faced with challenges, and the only way you're going to see your challenges as positive, and the only way you're going to grow through them and see the lessons from that higher perspective is by being in an optimal mindset that allows you to be calmer, where you're more adaptable, and you're more open to change and to grow and to elevate. So every morning and night you're set up with your rituals, but over the course of the day, when you forget, when you fall off path, when you find yourself stuck in the past or over-analyzing the future, you've got a new tool. And this week we're going to use a wristband like this black one. This is the Bend Like Bamboo wristband that says I am enough. And I've attached a link so you can get your very own one in this week's blog. Or you can use any wristband or any tool and prop that works for you. And it's there to catch yourself when you're stuck in the old story, when you're stuck in fear, when you're thinking of the past, or you're over-analyzing the future, when you're in autopilot and you know you're not being your best self. So this tool is going to be super helpful to integrate now from your morning and evening rituals. You can now catch yourself over the course of the day. Now, when we are in that elevated mindset, we're better able to problem solve, we're more adaptable, we're more creative, we're more innovative, and we're happier and healthier humans. So other than your wristband, the second thing I want you to integrate this week is with your meditation, I want you to push that longer now. How long can you sit there and wash and empty your mind? Maybe you started with 5 minutes. Can you sit there every morning and night for up to 20 minutes and just extend that meditation longer? And with your journaling, what I want you to do, you'll notice your first question is, what is my intention today? So you can activate your brain to focus more of that in your environment so you can make it happen for you. So I want you to think of your intention, but now integrate that into the course of your day. So let's pretend your intention is to bring in more fun and joy into your life. I want you to think of that as you interact with the people around you, your colleagues, your friends, even if it's on Zoom and we're not out there connecting as much as we'd like to in person. But I want you to evoke whatever your intention is every day into your daily routines and how you interact with yourself and with people across the day. So that is this week's blog. I hope you're enjoying the Reboot Challenge, and this week it's all about connection, and I really look forward to seeing you next week where we're going to fully integrate all the great work you've been doing. See you next week.